How to use DeepSeek Janus-Pro 7B. Let's get started. DeepSeek Janus-Pro 7B is an advanced open-source multimodal AI model that excels in both understanding and generating content across text and images. Launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in Janus-Pro 7B and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Click on it. Chat with Janus-Pro 7B. You will be directed to this page. Now from here you can easily use DeepSeek Janus-Pro 7B. Now here you can drop some images, then click on chat. On the basis of pictures, it's going to provide you the response. Likewise, you can also ask a question regarding that picture. Janus-Pro 7B separates visual processing into distinct pathways for understanding and generation, allowing for a specialized handling of each task. Despite the decoupled visual pathways, it employs a single transformer framework to integrate and process multimodal data efficiently. Likewise, while scrolling down, you're going to find this section of text-to-image generation. Over here, you'll need to provide the brief explanation about the picture you need, and Janus-Pro 7B will provide you the image. So this is how you can use DeepSeek Janus-Pro 7B. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.